Alright, hi everybody. My name is Alex Longo, and I'll just be reflecting on my project too. So the audience for my complaint letter was my previous high school principal, Dr. Bannerman. She was new to the school about my junior year, and the second she got there, she enforced the dress code like it was the most important aspect of education, something I didn't sit well with. The most upsetting thing was that she only really enforced it towards the girls, and that's where my situation comes in. And for the response letter, the audience was Nick, who posed as an upset and passionate hockey player, which I assume he is in real life, advocating for Morgan Urso, who was kicked off the team for her mental health struggles. For each, I chose to use a typical letter format, although I believe using the header was more suitable for the response letter as it came from a board of people as opposed to an upset parent as my complaint letter was written by. The language for the complaint letter was a little more relaxed than that of the response, as I did do that according to a mother who was writing the complaint in passion of her daughter and the disservice that she was done. And the response was being written by a professional head of hockey figure person who had multiple eyes on them at all times, essentially. For my complaint letter, there wasn't much constructive feedback I could take, but I did realize that later on in the process that having a clear demand was important, especially going back and reading the response that Nick had written for me. I realized I hadn't really written a clear response, so I needed to do that, and I fixed that. My response letter received a bit more feedback, just in terms of grammatical errors and things that I didn't initially see, especially here. I had written something really weird that didn't make sense to my reader. I think I learned the difference of using my audience's situation to kind of keep my letter either passionate and demanding as I did the complaint letter, as opposed to professional and demanding as I did with the response. And yeah, I think just doing this project overall really helped me, especially with working to make amends in my own job. It kind of helped me to understand more professional ways to respond to a complaint and ways to amend them in a way that fulfills my reader or my the person who's placing the complaint. So I really like this project. I enjoyed it. The letters were really fun to write, and I just really appreciated the opportunity. So, thank you.